Okay, it's 6:45 a.m. in Toronto. I need to be back in Winnipeg somewhere at 11. This is gonna be a bit of a time crunch. My Uber driver 100% dropped me off at the wrong terminal. Now I need to take a train to the... I told him Terminal 1. Reminder to self, never book a crappy budget airline again where you have to check a duffel bag. It's dumb. Okay, we just landed in Winnipeg. It is 11:06. I'm already 16 minutes late. I need to take a cab downtown. I need to drop off my bag. I'm gonna be at least an hour late to this. I think we're good though. I think we're good. Even if I'm an hour late, I think we're good. Hey. Just going to the corner of Portage. Whew. Okay, we're back home. We're only 54 minutes late, which is not bad. We just have one slight problem. So in Winnipeg today, there is a Red Bull 3-on-3 tournament, which is cool. I'm not in it because obviously, I was in Toronto, but there's also apparently some clothing vendors and a couple of my buddies here, so I felt obligated to come through, say what's up. It's 12:15 already. I'm gonna be so painfully late, but it's okay. I think it's okay. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. Sick. I really, really want these. Why don't you have bigger sizes, Jamie?
I know, man. The biggest one, this one right here, that's it.
What size is this?
11, 12? I don't know.
Tiny feet, jeez. Never seen these in my life before. These are so unique. I don't get why these resell for so much. I really don't. Wow. I mean, I don't not like them. They're so strange. Here, Jared, give me a shot, give me a shot. I know you guys can't see this, but I guarantee you this is in. Yeah, that was totally in. That was that was in. Okay, I've said hi to everyone. I hit a shot, definitely went in. I think it's finally time to get out of here. We're only an hour and 35 minutes late. I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, I know I was making it sound sort of serious. The thing I didn't want to be late for was just picking up the Yeezys. I mean, I knew they weren't gonna sell out anyway, but I mean, we still got them. I'm happy, size 12, we're good. Actually, on a side note, I was in Toronto last night at the livestock there at like, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 in the evening. Check this out. We just walked past livestock Toronto. This is the greatest thing ever. The Yeezy 700, the Tephras, the ones that no one cares about, are releasing tomorrow, and it's what, 8:30 in the evening, and someone has their chair out already. Dude, no one wants these. You can move your chair.
It's your
chair. No one's gonna buy those. I'm gonna buy them. You've probably already seen the video of me buying them, in fact. But you don't need to camp out for those. I think Eric might be expecting this already. He texted me half an hour and he's like, yo, are you home? And I was like, yeah, I'm home. Oh, this is perfect. Eric's back in the bathroom. He doesn't even know I'm in the store. He's gonna come out of this door. This is gonna be amazing. Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, what's going on?
Have you seen the new Yeezys yet?
Fuck!
Yeah, that's basically what I thought would happen. I have so many things I want to say about this shoe. Like so many things. I haven't even seen these yet. I've not seen these in person at all. I haven't even pulled them out of the bag. Eric didn't even pull them out of the bag. I didn't see them at the shop when I bought them. They're so stupidly expensive. Let's check these out. I need to make sure I don't lose the receipt. Okay, here's the receipt. Look at this. Just want to make sure it doesn't, okay, it doesn't have like my credit card number. I don't know why it would have my credit card number. $452. $452 for these. Stupid. It's stupid, stupid, stupid. Let's check the, oh, and the box is all messed up too. I didn't see that. That sucks. Oh boy. They look sick. Like I really like how these look. I really, really like how these look. I think this is right up there as one of the better 700 colorways. I really honestly do. I think this is right up there as one of the probably top 5 colorways of the 700 they've done. I like the V2 a lot better than I like the V1 of the 700. Like I love the statics, the geodes are really cool, the Vantas were pretty cool, people didn't really like those. I really do like these, just the price kills me on them. Like I've spent thousands of dollars on these. I love how these look. I love how these look. But I don't think anyone else does. I really think the boat has passed. I think the Yeezy 700 hype is officially dead, gone, buried, rotten, and forgotten 6 feet under the ground. They might have even gone 7 feet on these, to be 100% honest. Like, no one cares about this shoe anymore. And it is painfully obvious by the fact that I could just walk into the store almost 2 hours after it opens. They're super easy to get. You can probably grab these in any size you want online right now. Like, they are not a limited shoe. They are not a hyped shoe. They're an easy shoe to get. And for 400 Canadian, 300 US, I'm not sure how much these are in England or Europe or wherever you may live. It is an expensive shoe for something that looks so similar to every other colorway that they've put out this year. Let's take a minute to take a look at some of the details though. We do have the really cool use of different shades of gray. The bottom is a dark gray, then you move up to the suede, which is a slightly darker gray, and then you move up and you get progressively lighter. You have these 3M bands right here, and that's silver. You have a very light gray. You have a great quality suede right there that is in a very, very light bone type gray, and then you have a gum bottom. These are very, very similar to the geodes and also the salts. They took basically the grayscale combination of the salts and then stuck them onto the V2 with a very similar bottom to the geodes, and then you also have that dark gray which looks similar to the brown on the geodes. I do like these. I think it is a good colorway, a good execution by Adidas. I think Yeezy and their team did a great job on executing this one particular colorway, but we've just been seeing so many Yeezys, so many 700s, so many 350s. I'm excited for something new. I'd even be happy if they put out some more 500s or 750s or something like that. But it's getting to the point, like there's been 3 Yeezy releases in the last month. Like it is all the time, and I've been saying this non-stop. You guys are probably getting bored of me saying this over and over and over again, but it's Yeezy, 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 another Yeezy, another Yeezy, another Yeezy. I do like these so much, but I understand it. People don't have unlimited money to spend on shoes. I spend way too much money on shoes because I am able to share them with you guys. But I get it. Like, you don't want to spend $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 on Yeezys in a year because no one has the money to do that. That's an absurd amount of money, but that's the amount of shoes that they're releasing. See, if you only release 6 Yeezys a year, everyone's going for all 6 of those Yeezys. But if you release 30, 40, 50 Yeezys in a year, all of a sudden people start to pick and choose. The hype on all of them goes down as a result, except for like the really, really nice ones, and they end up sitting on shelves. I'm pretty sure these will go on sale. You can get these for significantly below retail on StockX right now as it is, so I'd say probably just go over there and pick up a pair, save yourself some money. If you wait 2 weeks, you'll be able to save even more money. Like, you'll probably get these for $60, $70, maybe even $80 under retail on StockX within the next month. If you like them, I do think it's a great shoe. Go for it, buy it. You can pull these off in a whole bunch of really cool outfits. I think they're very comfortable. As far as comfort on the Yeezy goes, I do think the 700 is the most comfortable Yeezy that I've personally worn. I haven't worn the 750s, I haven't worn the 350 V1s, but between the 500s, the Calabasas, the 350s, I like these the most. There's not as much squishy boost feeling, but there's a lot more support. The upper's more a little bit structured, and I like that feel on my foot. It feels supportive and also very comfortable because of the boost and the soft foam cushioning on the midsole. Yeah, what do you guys think of these? Did you pick them up? Did you pass on them where you're like, nah fam, I'm not spending that type of money on these, I'm gonna wait till the next release? Or could you not wait to get these? Did you camp out for them like that one idiot at Livestock? I don't know, if you watch my video, idiot at Livestock, I'm not trying to be rude, but you're just dumb. Why would you camp out over 12 hours for these? I don't understand in the slightest. But that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate every single one of you. It's good to be back home. We have some amazing news coming this week, like just channel defining news coming this week. So if you're still watching at this point in the video, make sure to comment post notification, and do me a favor, make sure you have the channel notifications on, make sure you have post notifications set up in your YouTube app so you don't miss the videos that we have coming this week, because probably one of the biggest steps we've ever taken in the channel is coming up this week, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I'm really genuinely looking forward to it a lot. So that being said, love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.